Before emotion became language, before healing became a concept, before color became design, there was stone. And that stone had softness inside it. Rose quartz. Because colors were never just colors. Rose quartz is not only a visual tone, it is a mineral expression of light filtered through crystal structure. Its color emerges from microscopic inclusions within quartz, scattering light into soft pink diffusion. The result is a tone perceived as gentle, calming, translucent, emotionally soft, non-threatening. Unlike saturated pinks, rose quartz does not express emotion loudly. It absorbs emotional noise. Human psychology strongly associates rose quartz with compassion, emotional healing, comfort, empathy, inner peace, gentle connection. Because the brain interprets soft pastel mineral tones as stable and safe. Biologically, humans respond to soft pink hues found in skin warmth, dawn reflections, flower petals, soft minerals, calm atmospheric light. These signals often indicate safety, low threat, emotional openness, environmental calm. Rose quartz feels familiar at an instinctive level, not because it is rare, but because it resembles emotional safety cues. Historically, rose quartz crystals were used in symbolic practices across cultures as representations of love, emotional balance, harmony, compassion, spiritual calm. Because the stone itself appears fragile, yet stable, modern psychology and wellness culture adopted rose quartz as a symbol of emotional recovery, stress reduction, self-compassion, mindfulness, gentle, emotional grounding. Not as medical fact, but as symbolic language for emotional softness. In design, rose quartz is widely used in as wellness branding, spa environments, minimalist interiors, luxury calm aesthetics, soft digital interfaces. Because it reduces psychological tension in visual space. It does not stimulate, it stabilizes. Fashion uses rose quartz to express soft elegance, emotional openness, minimal luxury, gentle identity. It feels intimate without exposure. Cinema uses rose quartz tones during scenes involving emotional healing, reconciliation, tenderness, memory, quiet transformation, because it lowers emotional sharpness inside storytelling. Modern digital culture embraces rose quartz in calming UI design, wellness applications, lifestyle branding, soft aesthetic communities, because attention systems increasingly require emotional balance. But beneath all visual interpretation, rose quartz represents something deeper. The human need for emotional restoration. Not every experience is intense. Not every emotion is loud. Some emotions need space to soften. Rose quartz is that space. A color that does not amplify feeling, but gently releases it. Like warmth inside still air. Like light passing through crystal. Like emotions slowly returning to equilibrium. Rose quartz is healing made visible. Because colors were never just colors.